the thousands of exhibitors at this year's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, the largest in the world, nearly 500 came from the major Chinese metropolis of Shenzhen. One of the biggest exhibits belonged to the communications giant Huawei, also based in Shenzhen, where officials are not shy about their ambitions.
Nobody believes. I think it's even I think in China, it's let's say a Chinese company can do business, go worldwide and can be a leading in technology. I think if you don't visit us, I think you don't believe these things. But we did it.
For many Chinese companies, the key phrase is artificial intelligence, or AI, which promises to drive everything from smartphones to autonomous cars and robotic machinery in factories.
We can tell that all the large technical companies attach great importance to AI research. We can even say that some companies have made AI a top priority in their strategy because it is likely that AI will be a fundamental tool to significantly advancing efficiency across all industries in the future.
Another important factor is the speed at which the data can flow between all those devices. Chinese companies are spending a lot of money developing 5G, the soon-to-be deployed fifth generation of wireless technology that will be able to transfer up to 10 times more data per second than the current 4G technology.
5G technology is largely going to be about making sure that all of our mobile devices get data faster, can get more data, and in that capacity are going to be able to process a lot more of these kinds of AI computations and do so with much less load on our infrastructure and our capacity for wireless networks.
In other words, by using 5G, devices with artificial intelligence, from smartphones to cars to robots, will become part of the so-called Internet of Things, a giant internet-based network that can control connected devices around the world, anytime and anywhere. All this is making US high-tech companies a little uneasy. While they have to follow strict US laws concerning safety and data privacy, Chinese companies enjoy much less stringent standards, including those related to intellectual property rights.
That sense that China is cultivating national champions and cultivating companies within its own borders at the expense of other companies has a lot of US companies concerned about how much their intellectual property rights will be safeguarded there.
While analysts say current US technology is still superior, trends suggest Chinese know-how is not just catching up, but could someday surpass the rest of the world. George Putich, VOA News.